Good morning, welcome to Spoon Bay, and we're going to see if we can catch a sunrise this morning. But looking at the weather, I'm not holding my breath. It's alright though, we get to come out, we get to explore another part of this awesome place that I get to call home, and hopefully we can catch some photos along the way.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. You already know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long.